Welcome to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to learn how to copy and paste clips in Final Cut. This is a very easy foundational skill, so let's go. By far the easiest way to do this is just to press Command C and Command B, copy paste. You can also just go up to edit and then copy paste. So that's basically the most straightforward way to duplicate clips in Final Cut. If you want to copy and paste an effect somewhere else, like you want to color grade your entire video, all you do is copy the clip, select the rest of the clips that you'd like that coloring to be applied to, and then go to edit, paste attributes, and it'll paste everything to the subsequent clips. So it's a really easy way to color your entire video, but that's in another video. I'll actually link that tutorial below on how to do that. It was actually one of the first tips I learned as a video editor that really helped me become faster, because once you can start copy and pasting attributes and clips, you can work a lot faster. I hope it was helpful. If you like this video, give it a peace sign. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I have so many tutorials on Final Cut Pro tricks in under 2 minutes in my free course called Tutorials, where you'll learn a skill in under 2 minutes every time. I also make videos on everything video editing every 2 weeks. So if you like that, subscribe, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.